Namaste, I am Dr Malhar Nesari and today we are going to talk about Ayurvedic gut types. All of us know there are three main body types in Ayurveda, which are Vata Prakriti, Pitta Prakriti and Kapha Prakriti. But there are also types of gut which have been categorized. So the three main types of gut are Mrudu Koshtha, Madhyam Koshtha and Krura Koshtha. Koshtha is the all-inclusive term used for your GI tract and everything in your abdomen. So according to that, there are three types: Mrudu Koshtha, Madhyam Koshtha and Krura Koshtha. These types are not necessarily related to the body type which is Prakriti. So even though Mrudu Koshtha is present, if you have a lot of Pitta dosh in your gut, it does not mean that you must be of Pitta body type. So let's see what are the characteristics of each of these gut types. Mrudu Koshtha is the type of gut which is sensitive and soft. So people with Mrudu Koshtha are more susceptible to gastric disturbances when they change the type of food, water or even the type of place they live in. This is because there is a lot of pitta accumulated in the koshtha or the gut, which leads to hypersensitivity. So there is instant inflammation if there is any unknown food you intake or different type of water you intake, and the person starts having symptoms like diarrhea and bowel pain. People with madhyam koshtha have balanced pitta and vata dosha in their gut. Therefore, they do not get gastric disturbance easily. The third type, Krura Koshtha, has a predominance of Vata dosha in their gut, which leads to dry and heavy gut. So these people generally have problems like constipation. People with Krura Koshtha need a higher dose of laxatives and generally need heavier doses of medicines which are used to treat the gut. On the other hand, people with Mrudu Koshtha, the first type, can even get diarrhea just by taking a little bit more amount of milk than they are used to. So these are the main three gut types according to Ayurveda, and now you know how to identify yourself. So according to your gut type, what type of food should you eat? If you are Mrudu Koshtha, the type of food that you are used to since your childhood and that your family is used to according to your genetics and geography, that is the most suitable for you. You should avoid spicy food, dairy, and heavy food like excess consumption of meat. On the other hand, if you are Madhyam Koshtha, you can experiment around and try to find out what suits you best, because you are not as susceptible to gastric disturbance as Mrudu Koshtha people. If you are Krura Koshtha, you should always consume foods which are rich in ghee and oil, which are snigdha or unctuous in nature, so that they can counter the dryness which is present in your gut. These oily substances will help you maintain regular bowel movements. If you like the contents of this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching our channel.